Hey, Steven, welcome to Desert Chat. You know, I love Revivals. I've been to Palm Springs and Palm Desert and Cathedral City. My first time here in Indio, and I have to say, I'm blown away. This is amazing.
Yeah, we're really proud of the store. We just celebrated our 1-year anniversary, and we were able to really reimagine all of the signage of this store since it was brand new and make it our own, and finally connect the dots once and for all between Revivals and DAP Health, the nonprofit it benefits.
Nice. Well, shall we take a look?
I'd love to. Revivals is the only thrift store in America that has its own brand, and it's called Mode.
Okay.
It's the same kind of furniture you're going to find at other furniture stores, but because Revivals has a whole group of generous volunteers, and because Revivals has lower margins, all of the prices are so much less expensive.
And then you also have resale here as well.
Yeah, what's great is that you're able to find a piece or a collection that is right for your home and your lifestyle, and then you pull it into the mix of brand new furniture, and now you've got a look that none of your friends can duplicate.
So let's take a look at something that you picked out that you thought I would like, which I do. It's chic, I know it's affordable, and yet I love that you've thrown in a few resale items.
This is a good example because, you know, you were telling me that you like to spend time by the ocean.
I do. I'm from the Northwest, Pacific Northwest.
Okay. So that's where it begins, right? When you're shopping for furniture or you're shopping for resale, you're kind of, in your mind's eye, you've got a sense of what's going to express my style. And so I love this chair because it's upholstered in a seaside motif.
Perfect.
Right? We've got the great coral and the shells on it.
Love
and it has a light finish, right? So you start there. Or I even found this great hand-carved piece. And this is the unique thing about when you're shopping at Revivals. Somebody did this, like somebody hand knit this. Right?
Well, I think it might, yes. I think it's needlepoint. I was gonna say my grandma did needlepoint, so it reminds me of my grandma. I love it. Really, everything is here. And of course, clothing, shoes, there's so much here.
Yeah, that's the great thing, you know, at Revivals, because when you shop at Revivals, you are supporting the community you want to create. And we should be specific about that because Revivals has 4 stores, and this year it will donate $1.4 million back to DAP Health. And 10,000 of our neighbors call DAP Health their healthcare home, where they get comprehensive primary, dental, mental health care, HIV specialty care, and so much more. And that's really important at this time in our history. Health equity, removing the barriers to access, getting more people into care, right? It just creates a healthier, stronger community. And so you can take a lot of pride shopping at Revivals.
Absolutely. As always, thank you so much.
Thank you.